Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. Uh, you can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel and also WhatsApp us. The number is also mentioned in this video. So we're looking into real exam questions. So the one that we're going to cover now is the Neville Gill Close to Old Palace Lane. So let's get into this. So once again, looking at this green and the red point, so that means we need to plan so that we can get to this red point. So that is on the left side, right? So we need to take some route that will take us to the red point, slightly above this point and on the left side. So that's how we need to plan. So let's look into this. Right. So let's zoom in. And we just click on this point first, come out, right, stay on the left side, go straight, and then we need to go to the left side, so we'll just go towards left side, follow this road, and zoom in, and then you just go straight from here, straight from here. You can see we're always going to the we're already going towards the left side and slightly top as well, so carry on going. This is just the East Whitney train station line, so you can see, so we can go straight from here, carry on going straight, don't touch the side lines, so we're still going straight here, straight. Let's zoom out just to see where we are going, so you'll be able to see that this looks quite fine, right? And it's quite straight route as well. So let's zoom in, and then you just keep on going straight from here, straight from here. It's a bit long route, but it's quite straight. You can see that the way we are moving now, from here, straight from here, straight from here. So just carry on going straight. You don't need to do anything because it's quite straight, the road that we have taken. So this is how we go, and you see going straight from here, straight, and then from here as well, keep going straight. Don't worry about this what we have here, right, because we are on this road here at the bottom under that thing, so we can go straight from here, straight. So following the same thing, straight from here. Let's zoom out once again just to see where exactly we are. So yeah, we can see that it looks right. Okay, so just follow the same thing. Follow the same thing here and keep going straight. So the road is still the same that we have taken, and we'll carry on going this way, and this way. So carry on going. Now here you can see we've got some arrows there as well, so we'll just kind of follow the arrow for now, and we go straight, and here we come out here. So let's zoom in and zoom out a bit, so you can see this point is here, so we don't need to go this way, right? So we don't need to go up here, we can simply take this street here, because this is street where we've got that thing, the arrow here, right? And then if you follow this arrow, now you see the point is here, the destination point is here. We can't, even if we go here, we can't go anywhere, right? If we go here, that's it, we are stuck here. So this is why we just come out from here and take this route, right? And then you go straight up, and then you just come down here towards this point here, and then just click on this point, right? So that's all you need to do it. So let me just show you again, zoom out just to show you the route. So um, it was kind of straight from here. The only thing was just a bit on this side, just to show you that this, just follow this arrow and go into the street. Don't come down here because there is nothing that you can get to this point. It's just this point that we need to take it. Okay, so you can see it's the most direct and much quicker route, and it looks here quite straight as well. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.